I saw it. Well,
I don't know.
yeah,
It's an old can.
I'm sorry for that.
It's an old can.
So, I guess it turned off on us, so. But yeah, I forgot to introduce myself. So, my name is Leo, and that's my grandpa.
Hello. Hola.
He speaks English.
Hola.
He's just speaking like that.
Burrito.
Okay, you can speak in English now.
Enchilado.
Okay.
No English.
It's kind of hard to tell if there's bird gone down or if it's just leaves.
Is there water in the pond?
Yeah.
No? Want to walk down to it?
Sure. Let's see what's over at the pond. Haven't been there in a while.
Yeah, it's not really a pond.
Ah!
Kind of just a mud pit, I think.
Over here is thorny. I don't know if I'm be able. I'm coming. Just trying to dodge the thorns. The water's all gone?
Yeah.
Well, it turns out nothing's happening.
Jump down in there, I'll film you.
Yeah, I dare you to.
Jump down in there in that mud.
Wait, there's mud?
Over
They're
there.
my school shoes.
Oh yeah, don't do that then. Yeah, over there, see that limb sticking up?
Huh.
Ah, there you go. Yeah, I wouldn't jump down there either.
Yeah, I'm not gonna jump down there. I'm sorry if you wanted me to, but I guess I can't.
That was full of water like...
These are my school shoes.
Like a month ago, that was completely full. It's leaking off.
Yeah. Oh. Woo. See what we can discover some more. Does this only film for 5 minutes?
I think 14. But we didn't, I don't know how much memory's on there.
Yeah.
So I think the longest is 14 minutes and then it shuts off.
Oh. I don't know if this is one video because it shut off on me. I don't know if it was still recording. So I'm sorry if it shut off.
Yeah.
Yeah. What? Can we go over there?
It's real buggy over there. It's all the high weeds and whatnot.
No, thank you. Did you used to be a firefighter, or did you buy that?
I bought it.
Ah. We should give them a tour of the bus.
I don't want to go in there.
Okay.
Maybe one day. I'd like to clean it out.
Yeah, one day we might.
Film you cleaning it out.
You mean filming us going in there and exploring?
Yeah.
Well, I only have 1 minute left on this thing, so we might end the video soon.
Yep. Let's see what we got.
Yeah, we only have 1 minute. Yeah. So this might go on YouTube, it might not. I don't know if it's worthy yet.
We're going to find out.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I guess bye.
Say bye, Leo.
Bye.
55 seconds.
Uh-huh. Bye.
Okay. We got